sniffles? Well, Bear does. Bear was sick, very, very sick. His eyes were red, his snout was red, his throat was sore and gruffy. In fact, Bear was quite sure no one had ever been as sick as he. See, I told you Bear was sick.
I can help you.
No, that won't help. No.
Mouse thought he could help, but could he?
Okay, time for bed.
No, that won't help either. Just want to feel better.
Oh no, is Mouse sick? You'll have to read Sniffles for Bear by Bonnie Becker to find out.